with me. It takes its time, it sinks its teeth in one at a time. It loves to feed, it loves my past. It's always taunting, but so